Doug Hirsch, CEO of GoodRx, co-founder of GoodRx. Thank you so much for joining us here today. A lot of changes, a lot of growth in your business. Tell us specifically, how has the coronavirus pandemic impacted what you're doing and your customer base?
It has been a tremendously impactful thing, I think, for all Americans, obviously. And one of the fortunate things that we had put into place prior to the coronavirus epidemic was we launched a telemedicine marketplace as well as an entire telehealth solution so that consumers could actually get the care they need directly from their home without having to actually go out to the doctor. You know, I think one of the biggest challenges that we're having across this entire epidemic is just access. And there's so much opportunity with telehealth. And again, we're very proud that we acquired a company called Hey Doctor. And so consumers can get doctor visits for as low as $20 for a whole number of services. And then in addition to that, we've launched this wonderful marketplace with over 35 different telehealth providers, some of which are actually fellow CNBC Disruptor companies, so that consumers can get the healthcare they deserve in a safe, easy, and affordable way. And so we're really proud of the fact that we can fill in some of these gaps that the epidemic has created.
And you also, in the middle of COVID, at the beginning of March, launched a marketplace for lab tests. What kind of pickup have you seen there? And how much of the demand there is actually for tests for COVID versus tests for other things?
Sure. So we have a wide variety of services in our marketplace, and we're constantly adding new ones. By the way, a funny story about our marketplace is it was actually inspired by my interview I had with Jim Cramer about a year ago, where he was saying, how come I can't compare prices on lab tests and medical? And so we basically said, that's an amazing idea. We need to do that. And so 1 year later, here we are with this incredible, robust service. So when it comes to labs, a lot of people are obviously interested in COVID assessments, but we have lots of the other sort of blocking and tackling basic elements of medical care, you know, whether they be, basic blood tests or STD tests, or so it's really kind of a reflection of what you would have normally seen. It's just that it's all moved online, and many of these tests can be completed at home now too. So it's just incredibly easy, and I'm really excited about the future of telehealth, and we want to make sure consumers can figure out how to get there and how to find an affordable solution.
Hi, good morning. It's John Fort, and I've used GoodRx before. It seems a little bit like magic or like cheating. You kind of hand over your phone and get a scan and then get a discount. How does it work, and does it scale? How many different areas can you disrupt with whatever the secret sauce is that allows you to do what you do?
Sure. So we started GoodRx about a decade ago. And at first, we were really just focused on trying to help you save on generic drugs, because that's where most crazy price insanity is. I mean, where a drug that should cost $5 can cost $500. More recently, we've expanded into brand drugs. And like I said, we've expanded into medicine as well. The way GoodRx works is we work with everyone in the industry. We work with drug manufacturers, we work with insurance companies, and most importantly, we work with pharmacies to make sure that consumers can get a fair price. It's just amazing to think that in healthcare, prior to our existence, there was no way to compare prices, like you could on TVs or plane tickets or anything else. And so really with GoodRx, you just come to GoodRx, you type in the name of a drug, we show you the price and all the various discounts available at pharmacies near you. And then if it's a coupon on GoodRx that you're going to use, you show it at the pharmacy. There's lots of other things, like we show Medicare copays, we show various savings tips. Our sole goal is to get you an affordable price in the best way possible.
Yeah, Doug, it does seem like if there was one word to sort of sum up what the company is driving at right now, it's transparency. I'm curious now, it seems you make money from advertising, you make money from working with the pharmacy benefit managers as well. Are you profitable, and do you have plans to go public?
We are a profitable company. We've been profitable for some time. My whole focus, to all be honest, is just on helping Americans, especially now, right? I mean, I'm so proud of the fact that we've saved Americans $20 billion, $5 billion since we last talked back in 2019. We're helping 17 million Americans per month. And so I'm very pleased with that. I don't have any comment in terms of what we're doing financially, because my sole focus right now is really on just trying to help as many Americans as possible, especially now.